welcome to Rastek GH. We are going to continue our tutorial. Okay, so now we are going to learn something about conditional formatting. This particular formatting, when you come to Home tab or Home ribbon, so you see that we have conditional formatting. What is the conditional formatting? So we are going to write something and format it and see how that conditional formatting works. So the conditional formatting highlights interesting cells, emphasize on user values, and visualize data using data bars, color scales, and icons set based on criteria. So the conditional formatting, let's assume the last time that we created something here. Okay, let me go to this page here. Okay, assuming this one is names, maybe class. Okay, so now let me expand it. Let me bold it. Okay, so now we have maybe let's do this. Okay, I'm giving just a border. So class, maybe Rastek GH, and we have that is Ras entry. Okay, let me make it entry and make it menu. Now, for all these things, assuming we want to set the class from maybe KG1, KG2, right? So we need to do something. You go to data, then you come to data validation. That is the drop down. We are going to do what we did yesterday. That is the other time. So we have maybe KG1, KG2. Okay, good. Now, so let me do this, bring it down. Okay, just format it. Now, when I click the drop down arrow, I can what? Select this one. Okay, let me make it large. Now, when you click the drop down arrow, then you can select this one. Now, you want to make it in such a way that if you select this particular one, it will give you different color, right? And if you select KG22, it will give you different color. So that is we are going to use the conditional formatting. Under normal circumstance, you click here, then you change the colors. Like make this one this, but when you do this one too, it will give you the same color. That is the normal one that we know. So you want to use the conditional formatting and see how this thing works. Okay, so you select, that is the whole of this cell. Then you go to conditional formats. You come to highlight cells rows. So you come to that is equal to. We have the greater than, less than, between, test that, condition, and the rest. So we will do it one after the other. It depends on what we are doing. So let's go to equal to now. The equal to, if this particular cell, that is, we have KG2. Now that KG2, then you come here, you highlight it, or you click the drop down arrow. Then you come to custom formats. So this one will open. So if it is in KG2, right, then the font, you can give it, let's put it, let's give it maybe font size 14. Okay, let's put it first. Okay, let's go it again. Okay, now here you can underline it, double or whatever, it depends on you, but the color, we are done with the color. So if it is KG2, let's select this color. Okay, then click OK. Click OK. You see, let's select KG1. The KG1 is red. We don't want that red. So let's go to conditional formatting again. Then you come to highlight cell rows equal to. Now, KG1. You make sure the spellings here are the same in that particular list. Okay. So let's go here. That one too. Now, if you select one of these, it means it will automatically take effect. Let's look at something here. If you try to select a field, this color will fill all the cell, but the font, this color will only take effect on that particular font family. So let me take this one. Let me bold it, italize. Okay. Now you see, so if this particular person is entry is in KG2, let's see, you see. So if this particular person Coleman is in KG1, then it keeps on what? Changing, right? So that is that. Let's drop it down. Okay. So that is the conditional formatting. So it gives you that is the chance for you to choose a color, bold it, do whatever you want for that particular cell row. Okay. So that is that. That is how the conditional formatting works. See you in the next tutorial. But before that, let's see. Assuming here, let's do the conditional formatting again. I want to see something. Conditional formatting highlight equal to, which is K G 2. Now let's select this one and see. Green field with dark. Good. Okay. So if it is in KG2, you see, so this one will take effect on that particular cell, right? Okay. So let's change this one KG2, the same thing. But KG1, nothing goes here because you're not down with that one. But if I select KG2 again here, you see, so that is that. So that is the difference. Is if you select it straight from here, but if you don't want that one, then you click the arrow, then you go to custom formats, then you select this particular color. That is the color that you want. Okay, so that is that. Then you can give it a border size. Then you can. So that is that. See you in the next tutorial.